Welcome to Machine Nature. In today's episode, we're diving into the world of brilliant inventions that merge the raw power of nature with clever engineering. These innovative tools are designed to make wood splitting not only easier, but also much more efficient and enjoyable. We'll explore their features, test their capabilities, and see how they perform under different conditions. Let's get started and see them in action. A screw wood splitter designed for tractors is a powerful and efficient equipment that makes the wood splitting process seem like child's play. This machine, which operates by being connected to the tractor's PTO, power takeoff, splits wood effortlessly in seconds with the help of a rotating large screw cone. Cutting gray box firewood with a repowered 1958 Mobilco shaft drive swing saw refers to using an upgraded 1958 Mobilco swing saw, which has a new power system, to efficiently cut gray box firewood. The saw's swinging blade, powered by a modern engine, slices through tough gray box hardwood logs, making the firewood cutting process easier and faster. This machine is designed to cut tree branches quickly and efficiently, equipped with a gearbox labeled WD-250. This allows for easy processing of tough woods and large branches. The equipment is especially used in challenging forestry tasks and large-scale cutting operations. These machines are typically equipped with a drilling drill or screw with a cone-shaped tip. The conical tip is used to quickly cut and separate wood or other materials. It can also perform similar functions for softer materials like carrots. These types of separators are generally powerful and efficient tools for challenging cutting tasks. Mach is a powerful electric wood chipper. With its 7.5 kW motor power, it can easily cut large trees. Its cylindrical design allows it to work efficiently and is used for tough cutting tasks. This type of wood splitter, with its cone-shaped tip, easily breaks and cuts through tough and large wood, speeding up the cutting process. Old and hard trees, especially species like willows, require powerful equipment, and this machine is a suitable option for handling such trees. This type of shredder is typically designed to be more durable and robust, making it ideal for easily cutting and reducing tough wood or branches. The use of rims can increase the machine's mobility and enhance its durability, allowing it to handle more challenging cutting tasks. These machines are especially suitable for large or heavy branch shredding operations. Hargan saw is a type of saw commonly used for cutting wood. It is designed to handle large and thick trees, making it a powerful machine for cutting tasks. Hargan saw is widely used in forestry work or large-scale cutting due to its durable structure and cutting capacity. With high efficiency, this saw performs cutting operations quickly and effectively. A hydraulic wood splitter is a powerful piece of equipment that uses a hydraulic system to cut and split wood. This machine is designed to easily split large and hard trees. The hydraulic power applies a significant force, making the cutting process fast and efficient. Wood splitters are commonly used in forestry work, construction sites, or large-scale cutting tasks. These machines make tough cutting jobs easier and reduce manual labor. This machine is equipped with a dual shaft structure and a 7.5 kilowatt motor. Operating at 2,800 RPM, it provides fast and efficient cutting. Additionally, it is equipped with a 6-blade flywheel, which enhances the effectiveness of the cutting process. These types of machines are typically used for cutting large tree branches or wood and breaking them into smaller pieces. They work efficiently in forestry operations or large-scale wood processing areas. The Ottawa drag saw is a type of saw used for cutting wood and logs, typically powered by a motor or sometimes a steam engine. The saw operates by moving back and forth across the wood to make the cuts. At the Kiron Heritage Days event, these old machines are showcased as part of a historical demonstration, allowing attendees the opportunity to see how wood cutting and logging were done before the development of modern equipment. The event is organized to celebrate and preserve the region's history and heritage, offering a platform to display old farming tools, machinery, and traditional methods. These machines are typically built using powerful motors and durable parts, allowing them to split large and tough logs quickly and efficiently. The term high output indicates that the machine operates at high performance, meaning it can cut more logs. Being homemade means these splitters can be customized and shaped according to the user's needs. These types of splitters are particularly suitable for intensive forestry work or large-scale wood cutting operations. This machine is used for cutting and splitting wood. In Moldova, such machines are commonly used, especially for processing large logs and in forestry work. These machines are typically powered by old-style engines and are used to split wood. The stationary engines make the machine more reliable and powerful. These machines can be appealing to those who appreciate nostalgic old technology and offer an interesting option, especially for collectors or forestry workers interested in historical machinery. These machines are used to quickly split large and tough wood into smaller pieces. They typically operate with a hydraulic system, applying a powerful force to split the wood more efficiently. They are used in forestry work, wood preparation, or garden tasks, making the user's job easier.